He is father of three one-love race birds, Chevelle, Ben, and Mr. Clrence. Chevelle flew Deborah 2016, 14th place final race, and 17th place semi-final race. Winner of the 3 Pigeon Challenge, winner of International Challenge. Father of Ben, 137th place, Deborah on a final race. Also flew 11th place, semi-final race, winner of the International Challenge. Ben is now breeding in Gran Canaria on my very good friend Jorge Vera Rodriguez. And here it is, 444. It's a full brother to 445, grandson, sister of the Rambo, a very rarity strain. And it's also a once in a lifetime bird. This one, also 444, flew also first prize in Vienna on the flight Regensburg against 1200 birds. And a few minutes before the second bird was clocked. So here it is, 444. Very nice bird. This bird flew 3 prizes on the young birds race, 3 top prizes, and he flew 8 prizes, 8 top prizes as a yearling, and flew 10 prizes when he was 2 years old. Then I put him for breeding on 2010. So here it is, 444. This wing. A medium-sized, very compact bird. Very good in the hand. He has a very silky feather, like his nest brother 444. He's now getting very good through the molt. And again, he will be breeding next year. And his children are going directly to the breeding loft because he's now turning, or he's now 12 years old. Everybody knows a 12-year-old bird is too old for racing, you know. For such birds like this, you have to breed. And I hope he brings me some good children. It's a typical Rambo line. You can see the white tick on the eyes and some white pied, characteristic white pied on his back, and you can see it's a one tail feather, and his vent bones are very tight. His muscles are very well, how you call it, very compact, silky feather, medium-sized bird. It's optimal for breeding. It's not too big. And again, performance on performance, you know, that's what counts.